Hello, welcome to Science Session. Today, we're going to learn about life cycles of living things and what they need to grow. One of the characteristics of living things is they can grow and they have a life cycle. Let's recall about the life cycle of some living things. The first one is the life cycle of butterfly. The life cycle of butterfly is called as a metamorphosis because the butterfly always changes its form in its stages of the life cycle. The life cycle of butterfly begins from egg and then it grows into a caterpillar and then it grows into pupa and it becomes a butterfly, which the butterfly can produce the eggs when it's already mature enough. The next example of the life cycle in animal is the life cycle of chicken. The life cycle of chicken begins from an egg, and then the egg is hatching. It will produce a chick, which will grow bigger into a hen or chicken, which can produce egg. The process is repeated, that's why we call this as a life cycle. So, what do animals need to grow well? To be able to pass each stages of the life cycle. The animals need food, air, space, shelter, and water to live, to grow well. It's not just animals that have life cycle, but plants also have life cycle. The example of the life cycle of a plant happened in a pea plant. The pea plant started its life cycle from a seed. The seed will be germinated, and then after that, the roots and a small stem will grow. We call this one as a bud. And then the buds will grow and it will produce more leaves and it will eventually produce flowers too. The flowers will produce pea pod, which will have some seeds that we can plant again. What do plants need to grow well? Let's check the picture below. Here are some pictures of plant which has been watered. So the first plant here is underwater, or the water that is given to this plant is not enough. And then the middle one, it has enough water. And the last one, it has overwater, or it has too much water that the people watering there. So, which one do you think is good for the plants? Is it underwater? Is it normal water? Or is it overwater? Yes. To be able to grow well, the plants need enough water. Let's check again the picture. The first picture showing a plant with fertilizer, and then the next picture showing a plant without fertilizer. What do you think the plants need to grow well? Yes, the plants need fertilizer to grow well. What is fertilizer? Fertilizer is the nutrients that the plants need. So when we put the fertilizers into the soil, it makes the soil where the plants grow will be healthier than the one without the fertilizer. So basically, all living things need nutrients to grow, and they can get the nutrients from the food. They need the nutrients to grow well, to be strong, and to be healthy. The plants need the sun, water, and fertilizer, or good soil, while animals need enough water and foods to grow well and healthy. Since human is also a living thing, we, human, also need enough nutrients to be able to grow, to be able to passing each stages of the life cycle, which is from the baby, to be a toddler, to be a teen, and to be an adult. What else do we need to grow well and healthy? We will furthermore learn about that in the next meeting. So stay tuned. Thank you.